So welcome students. So this question is given that you have the parabola y square is equal to 8x and you have a tangent to this parabola y is equal to x plus 2. Both are given to you. The question is from what point on this tangent can you draw a perpendicular tangent to this parabola? So from what point on this tangent can you draw a perpendicular tangent to this parabola? Again, this question is based on the property of directrix. So we know that the point from which perpendicular tangents can be drawn always lies on the directrix of the parabola. Directrix of the parabola is the directrix of the parabola is the locus of the points from which you can draw perpendicular tangents. So according to that property, this P point has to lie on the directrix of the parabola. That means P is the point of intersection of this tangent and the directrix. So what is the directrix of this parabola? X is equal to minus 2, right? X is equal to minus 2. Because this is y square is equal to 4 times 2 times x. That means A is equal to 2. So the directrix x is equal to minus A. Right? So you just need to find the point of intersection of x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to x plus 2. So the point of intersection is nothing but if you put x is equal to minus 2, you get y is equal to 0. So this will be the required point. Thank you.